Oops, some fine watermelon juice there. Konnichiwa, Pat Tokuyama here, creator of All Day I Eat Like a Shark and the new Japanese cooking club all about plant-based Japanese food. Today what we're going to be doing is something a little bit different. We're going to be making 3 slushies, or I guess smoothies if you want to call it that, using some fresh fruit, given that it's summer and it's quite hot right now. We have some watermelon, about 2 cups worth, some honeydew melon, about 2 cups worth, and some cantaloupe, 2 cups worth. I also have a magic ingredient here, which, if you would like to take a guess, feel free to guess right now in the comment section. And I guess to give you guys a hint, it's made with this stuff, which is komekouji. Hint. Komekouji is what is used to make shio-koji. Same with shoyu-koji and amakouji, which is exactly what this is. And amakouji, if you've never heard of it before, is sweet koji. So koji is rice that has been inoculated with the aspergillus, and it's a very tasty way to season your foods, both savory and sweet like we're doing today. So typically, if you've never made amazake before, or amakouji, that's what this is. Amazake is also made with komekouji, depending on the recipe. So if you're going to be making amakouji at home, what you're going to be needing is the komekouji, some water, and some cooked rice. You can also use, you don't have to use white rice, you can use brown rice, or you can use zakokumai, which is the mixed grains in rice. So you might have seen it. You see the little millet and beans and other little things in the rice to make it nice and colorful, which I make sometimes. And it's going to be a 1-to-1 ratio, 1-to-1-to-1 ratio. So you're going to use 100 grams of komekouji, for example, 100 grams of cooked rice, and about 100 mils of water. You're going to let that go and ferment for about 10 to 12 hours at least, until it smells nice and sweet at about 130 to 140 degrees. So you want to be very careful with the temperature, because if it's too low, then it's going to be bitter or sour. It's going to be sort of acidic tasting, and it's not going to taste very good. And if it's too high, if it's above that, outside of that temperature range, you're going to kill the aspergillus, and it's not going to ferment, and it's not going to be sweet. So it's not going to be amai. Amai is sweet in Japanese, and that's what we're using today, amakouji. This is actually something that you can use to make amazake, which is one of the reasons why sometimes I prefer to make this over just straight amazake, because this is more of a concentrated version. So if you wanted to turn amakouji into amazake, all you got to do is dilute it into maybe a 1-to-2 or 1-to-3 ratio, depending on how strong you want your amazake to be. So we're going to be doing a few smoothies like I mentioned today, 3 different ways. So I have my blender here. We're going to go ahead and drop in all of the ice first. I always put in the ice at the bottom. I don't know about you guys, but ice first. We're going to put in about 2 cups of watermelon and about a tablespoon of amakouji, depending on how sweet you like your drinks. The melon, depending on how sweet that is, will also make it sweet, so you might not need to put too much in, but this helps to add a unique flavor, kind of a funky fermented flavor. It's really hard to describe. You have to try it yourself, and takes things to the next level, especially if you're used to making fruit smoothies. This will be like your secret ingredient if you want to surprise somebody and have them wondering what the hell it is that you put in their drink. So go ahead and blend this. Stuff is amazing, by the way. Actually, it's not gonna all fit, so I'll just put it in the bowl. Sometimes I like to do a double batch and put it in the freezer so it gets a little bit more slushy. So now we're gonna do the melon. So I do this as well with citrus, so you can also use lemon, lime, or grapefruit. Ruby red grapefruit is some of my favorite. Oh, almost forgot the amakouji, so about a tablespoon. So the good thing about amazake amakouji is that it's good year-round. So in the winter time, for example, you can serve it warm. Obviously, I wouldn't be making smoothies in the winter, even though I do. But if you wanted something more comforting and I guess something to warm you up, you can serve your amazake warm. Definitely recommend trying that if you haven't yet. And while you can get this pre-made in Japan, or if you have a well-stocked Japanese grocery store, usually it doesn't taste as good as homemade, of course. Okay, here's the last one. It's 1 cup. that one, and Amakouji. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for today. Quick lesson. Hopefully you guys will get a chance to try this. If you have a yogurt maker, you can also do the Amakouji or amazake in your rice cooker using the warm setting, but you might have to manage that a little bit more closely. And maybe in a future lesson, I'll be showing you guys just exactly how to make Amakouji and amazake. So stay tuned. So here's the watermelon Amakouji, here's the melon Amakouji, and here's the cantaloupe Amakouji smoothies. So take your pick. Hopefully one of these melons will suit your preferences. Alright guys, so that's it for today's lesson. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And other than that, see you in my next video. Bye bye. Oh yeah, and if you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the alarm bell for notifications. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it. And leave any questions or comments below. And see you guys next time. Bye bye.